Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a client proposal generator using Tally and ChatGPT step by step. Step 1. Go to tally.so and create a new form and title it like Client Proposal Generator. Step 2. Add fields like client name, business type, project goal, budget, and timeline. And then publish. Step 3. Under the integrations, you can connect your form to Zapier or to Make for automations. And step 4. Open your ChatGPT or OpenAI platform and create a prompt template that pulls data from Tally entries. So step 5. This is an example prompt that you can use. Step 6. Now you can use Zapier to send the Tally data to ChatGPT and return the AI-generated proposal. Step 7. Email or auto-save the proposal to Google Docs or Notion for easy sharing. And now, you have a working proposal generator powered by Tally and ChatGPT. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.